Hi, I'm Erin St. Blaine. I'm an artist and I make things that light up. My favorite way to add lights to my artwork and light up costumes is using NeoPixels and a Circuit Playground Express from Adafruit.com. NeoPixels are addressable lights that you can program to show whatever colors and animations you like, and they come in a ton of different form factors, so there's probably one that's right for whatever project you can dream up. Because everything is better with lights. I've written almost 100 tutorials showing different ways that I've used these in my projects. One of the things I consistently hear from other makers is that soldering is scary. So I made a tutorial that's just about soldering NeoPixels in the hopes of convincing you and everyone else that soldering is not scary. Soldering iron is just another crafty maker tool that once you learn to use it, you will not be able to live without it. When you're just getting started, there is definitely some equipment to buy and a bit of a learning curve, but a soldering iron is way less expensive than a brand new sewing machine or a fancy vinyl cutter with all the accessories. And look what you can make. So check out the Learn Guide on Adafruit.com. The link is in the comments. I'm really hoping to go to a ton of conventions and festivals and events next summer and see just hundreds of creative light up costumes and art pieces that you guys made. If you like this video, please let us know by clicking the like button. And if you're ready to get hooked on electronics, be sure to subscribe to the Adafruit channel for tons of ideas and inspiration.